Hello teacher and hi all my beloved classmates. Today I would like to tell you about Battambang Province. Battambang Province is a special place in Cambodia, full of excited place to see and do. It is known its beautiful countryside, rice and people and friendly people. One of the most famous thing in Battambang is a bamboo train where you can ride on a small fun train made of bamboo. There are also many interesting temples like Wat Sangkai where you can learning about history and cultures of Cambodia. Kids can enjoy taking boat ride on the river and exploring colorful market filled with delicious food and handmade craft. In Battambang, children can see many wonderful animals like cow and duck. Even visit a farm. It is a perfect place for adventure and learning. Remember to say hello in Khmer. Tuesday when you meet local people. Goodbye teacher, goodbye friend.